Okay, so yesterday in the mail, we got our part for Project Metalhead. Drain Plug Garage, thanks for the sweet sticker. And we got the feet for Project Metalhead. He is going to be a garage mascot that's a collaboration with Drain Plug and us, and it looked like 4 or 5 more garages. We're all going to put our little touch on it and send it around. We also made sure to sign the project board. And we got our sweet flame sticker on there. Still available, by the way. All right, the legs are going to be made out of genuine Clyde exhaust pipe. Maybe not that piece, but it's the smallest one we had to show you. So those are what we're going to be using, and this is what we've got going on coming up.
Thank you, Dream Plug Garage, for the awesome sticker and the Project
Oh,
Metalhead.
before we forget, Nathan's Mopar Garage. Love that long roof.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep on mission. Have a great day.